Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. This is How to Fix Your Tech and Mishy. Today we thought we'd do a New Year's Eve all-day special, so I hope you enjoy. We're going to have the rewind on it. So today we're going to be installing Windows 10 on this old HP. It's a ProBook 4510S. So yeah, it's requiring Windows 10 as you can't play Roblox, which is very sad. It's originally got Windows Vista on it, but at the moment got Windows 7. So we're going to upgrade it. And we're going to put some RAM in it, and then we're going to try and put Forza Horizon 3 on it and see how it goes. Alright, and we'll also be able to chuck on the PlayStation controller, so that'd be awesome. Alright, so we better kick it off. Let's get ready. It's time to roll the intro. Time to upgrade the RAM.
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past cause it always shows. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time.
Alright, so we found our RAM slot. So now it's time to find out that it won't fit. Yay, that's just so fun. I bet you this uses something like DDR2, but oh well, never mind. We'll get some for him next time. Alright, while we're at it, we may as well give it a bit of a clean out. And yeah, alright.
Blacking out, afraid just fading day by day. I'm reaching out for someone who can take away the pain I feel.
Alright guys, it's a moment of truth. If it'll turn on, I don't see why it wouldn't, but if it turns on, it's going to be a very long moment of truth. Yeah, it turns on. Congratulations everyone. What a surprise. We didn't even take anything out, but it still works. It's celebration time. Hope that packet better. You better trust that packet. Alright guys, so once this is booting up, it's time to install Windows 10 guys. Ready to install. Alright guys, admire the wallpaper. How does it look? It looks clearer through the GoPro than in person. It won't when you put it on the big screen. Well, time to install Windows 10 now. This will allow us to play Roblox, Forza Horizon 3, all the good games that definitely aren't super old or just really boring. So it's time to go. Hope you'll enjoy this time lapse. It's so exciting.
This video is full.
And half of it will be waiting, but it's time to go.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright everyone, while most of the stuff we did didn't work, I think it was still a success. Unfortunately, it is still rocking on 2 gigs of RAM. Yet again, it is running Windows 10 on 2 gigs of RAM. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope Hamish enjoys his totally upgraded computer that's now going to be slower, but it's going to run Roblox, so we're all good. But anyway, thanks for watching, Happy New Year, and enjoy the How to Fix Your Tech channel rewind coming up next. See ya.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands.